Not all prices have to be complicated, and IT software is no different. Selling usecure as a monthly one-price-fits-all contract is the easiest way to keep things simple, aligned, and focused. Removing all the other options that usually complicate sales in IT software makes life much easier for your customers to understand exactly what you are saying and why it's important. By having one simple monthly charge per user, you take away any grey areas or hidden charges that customers usually expect in the sales process of buying IT software. And the fee you are also charging becomes a lot easier to absorb too. Nobody wants a price list as long as they're armed of hundreds of different pricing options to choose from. Instead, the majority of customers just want to see one price that fits one problem. And this is where usecure comes in. Usually priced per user per month, anywhere between £1.50 and £3, our MSPs see the best opportunities when the message is kept to a very minimum. There are occasions, of course, when we see our partners charging even more for a product like usecure, but on average £1.50 to £3 per user is usually the sweet spot for a company in need of additional help with their cyber security, especially if you can prove why a product like usecure is needed first. When customers do charge within this range, the first thing on their agenda is to go after the lowest hanging fruit. These are likely to be customers who have had a breach in the past or a scare, been with you for years and have a really strong relationship built, or even better, overly conscious about their cybersecurity in general. Selling usecure in this way gives you the ability to keep life simple and easy for a customer to sign up. There are just two things, however, that you might need to be aware of when you're selling usecure as a one-price-fits-all method. First, selling all 4 features of usecure in one package does stop the ability for you to cross-sell or upgrade your customers in the future. And second, there will be customers that no matter how much they need it, just cannot see the wood between the trees and not understand its true value until something very serious goes wrong. And that is exactly why having a different pricing method like bundling or creating tiered structures can work very well and play a nice part to bridge the gap in knowledge to your client. You know your customers better than anybody, so if a one-price-fits-all strategy is what you're already doing, then this may already be the best route to market. But if you are looking to change things up and really maximise your opportunities like many other MSPs do and our partners, then I would first check out the other 2 videos we have on billing methods and then make the decision for yourself. That's all from me. Thank you very much, and please check out our other videos to find out more.